Welcome to my channel Excel Fundamentals. Today we will see an important function of Excel. That is, what is the use of R1C1 reference? 1. R1C1 reference is used to change the column reference style. 2. You can either change it to numbers or alphabets. Example A, B, C, and so on. Or 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let's see this in the Excel now. Follow the below steps to make the changes. Go to File, then Options, then click on Formula tab. Now you will be able to see R1C1 reference style option. Just uncheck or check it. If you check it, you will see 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you uncheck it, you will be able to see A, B, C and so on in the columns. Now click OK and you are done. Hope this video will save some time for you during your busy working day. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel Excel Fundamentals.